Let's see if we can get the sunset in the back. Ooh, nice. My name is Mikey, and I just bought this mini truck. Come on, she rips. Stop playing. And I plan on taking on the biggest challenge I've ever taken on. Also, guys, I really appreciate everybody's support. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna do a budget cost breakdown so you can see my entire budget and every single penny I've spent on this truck. So make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end. To buy something today. Just wait and see. You ready, man?
I'm ready.
We're buying a dinosaur today. It couldn't have been worse conditions. How fast do you think you could back out of this driveway? That's where I got into my first accident, right here. I crashed into that tree.
Got my adrenaline.
Say?
My heart rate was pumping.
Your heart rate was pumping when you're going backwards? All right, let's start with your name.
Hold on.
Start with your name. Yo, tell me.
Alright, it's on.
Let's start with your name.
My name's Brandon.
Alright, and let's start with your shoe size.
14.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Dude, how big of a load do you have in the back?
Pretty big, actually.
Yo, does this thing even have the tow package?
That's the base model.
Oh. I got a piece of bread.
We gotta go.
I'm gonna miss Barry. Hey. Don't get too close to the cash. I'm buying this puppy. Hey! You guys getting greedy with the cash. Woo! We just landed in Alaska, baby. Is it true you were born in Guantanamo Bay?
Now Rikers.
Yo, last summer, Brandon climbed the smoke tower and did a backflip into the water before we went on the ferry. Yeah, we should have just taken your boat. I want to pay for the ferry. How loud do you think you could yell? Do you think you could yell louder than me?
No.
You want to try?
I'm not yelling.
That's where Elvis is buried. Thank you. Should we practice what we're gonna say to him?
Yeah.
All right. So like, pretend like you're the guy, and then I'm me.
Okay.
I'll just be me.
Right. What are you doing on my property?
I'm Mike. We were talking online. I'm the one with the small. I mean, I want to buy your truck. Wow. This is it, guys. This will have an oven on it in about a month.
So that'll go all the way down?
That's cool. I'll meet you in the truck. We got it, guys. The mini truck. I'm absolutely soaking wet. I'm walking to Frank Pepe Pizza. My clothes got absolutely soaked, so I'm wearing Brandon's wet hoodie. And I don't think I've ever been colder. Of course, I had to get pizza. Here goes nothing, everybody. No pecorino on this, just so you know. The crust detached, but this is the wrong side. Shit. It's actually kind of nice in here, dude. It's spacious. Hey, hey, hey. You take a girl on a date? This thing. You want to go make a pizza? This thing. LEDs? Headlights. Doors? Bulletproof. Mirrors? They work. Trailer? Yep. I would say she was just fine. Welcome back to my house. We made it. We strapped it down wrong. Pretty much all odds were against us, but fate said we got this pizza truck back to my house, baby. Allow me to give you a tour of my brand new 2025 Honda Acty. Well, right here, digital mirror. So when you go up, it's digital. And we have power AC. Ooh, it makes a noise. Get the parking brake on. What's 1, 2, 3? Hey, sub's on. This, I guess, means reverse. Look, we got our little switches here. Does this thing go back? This is how far back it moves. You're a big guy. You're a big guy? No problem. I'm good?
I guess. Go straight. Oh, you're good.
Ooh, this thing purrs, baby.
Not bad.
Nice, man. How do you like it?
I like it.
Get in while all the tigers are. Come on.
Sorry.
Stop playing around.
Sorry.
Why are the tigers on, dog?
This is luxury. It actually works really good.
Dude, I'm liking this purchase. Come on, she rips. Stop playing.
That was insane.
You think that was sick? Did it look fast?
Yeah.
Yo.
You think this will get me to Thailand and back? Weird. That's what I was hoping for. Tell me what you think about it.
I don't like it
Why don't you like it?
because I had it there in Italy. So many.
Come check it out. Come on.
I had it in Italy.
92.
I had it when I was there. Why did drive it there?
This is Japanese.
My God.
Want to listen to her purr? Oops.